Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The name is Jeannie and thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be talking about how I go live streaming. Guys, I've been doing live streaming for so long now. I feel like a pro, literally. So in this video, I'll be covering all the deets you have to know on how I go live stream, what tools I use, what time I go live streaming, and why that time works for me, how to schedule a live stream. All of that will be covered in this video. So if this is the type of video you're interested in, then keep on watching.
At your feet, baby girl, be mine. Baby girl, be mine.
Before I start this video, I just want to say that you do not need 1,000 subscribers before you can do a live stream. All you have to do is make sure your account or your channel is verified with YouTube or verified by YouTube. If you're using a computer, you don't have to have 1,000 subscribers. You can go live using the regular YouTube live streaming software. If you're using a phone, then you cannot access the live streaming software with YouTube. But if you have other software, you can go ahead and use it even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers. So let me just clear that because I get that question a lot. The first I want to talk about is the equipment. Guys, your equipment are so important. So I'll switch to another scene where I show you guys all that I use for my live streaming. So hey guys, so I did bring you guys here into the office. I'm sorry it's a bit echoey. I don't have anything here in the office yet. However, I brought you guys here because I wanted to show you what equipment I use for my live streaming. I'll first talk about my ring light. This is the ring light I use. It's Bauer 8-inch selfie ring light studio with 51-inch extendable tripod plus phone holder. It was on sale for about $38. I feel like it was a good deal. This ring light makes a big difference, guys. It's quite small. It does magic. It has 3 different settings. You can use whatever settings you want. It has cool undertone, or you can use this, which I don't like at all. It makes me so red. I don't know, but I'll never use this setting. Also, it has a mixture of cool and warm undertone. So this is what I prefer. This is what makes me look good. I also like it because you can increase and decrease the brightness. Did you see that? Or you can increase it. Oof. What setting was I using again? I just wanted to show you how I position it. You can make it straight or you can bend it. I prefer bending it because it makes the quality even better. Always bend over your ring light when you're doing a live stream because the light shines directly on you, so you don't get any shadows in the back. You get that clear video or live stream that you are looking for. It's the only light I'm using. This is very powerful, very small but powerful. I think by now you already know what computer I use. I use my MacBook and it does amazing. Basically, this is my setup. So now let's talk about going live stream. Why would you even want to go live stream? I know being a small YouTuber, going live stream actually helps you get your watch hours. Now that I'm monetized, I really don't even do it for the hours anymore. I do it purposefully to help people grow, and I want to connect because I'm building a community. I don't want to create a big gap between my family on YouTube and myself. They are my family. If I make a mistake on live streaming, I'm human and I'm not perfect. I have flaws. Definitely, they can easily relate. So that's why I go live stream. You should ask yourself why you want to start live streaming. If it's for the hours, that's fine. If you just want to build a community, if you want to engage with your audience, that is also fine. Okay, so going live stream, you can use your computer or your phone. If you're using your phone, make sure you have 1,000 subscribers. That is if you're using the YouTube live streaming software. But if you're using any other software like STREAMYARD, Prism Live Studio, OBS, then yes, you don't need that 1,000 subscribers to go live with your phone. But if you have your computer, then honey, you can definitely go live with it even if you do not have 1,000 subscribers. If that confused you, rewind it and listen to that one more time and you understand exactly what I'm trying to say. I personally really love STREAMYARD because it has a lot of features. They are easy to understand, nothing complicated. If you want to use a free version, know that you'll get 20 hours a month. But if you want to use a paid version, then you have unlimited access. It's $25 a month. If you pay in a year, then that means you're paying $20 a month. I'll show you how I go live with STREAMYARD and also show you how I go live with the regular YouTube live streaming software because I want you to get a glimpse of what both looks like. Let's go to my computer. I really love it. It's probably tired of me, but guys, I love my computer so much. The first thing I'm going to do is go to the regular YouTube live streaming software. That's so much. Regular YouTube live streaming software. Okay, I'll go to YouTube first of all. Of course, I love YouTube, guys, and I love you guys. So I'll go to create. You see where I actually drop the cursor. Once you click that, you will see upload video, go live, or create post. You want to go live, right? So that's what we're going to click. Okay, so once you are here, you have to create a title, and I'll say maybe, hey guys, something simple like that. And I'm not going to make that public because I don't want my amazing family to think I'm actually coming live when I'm not. I'll go ahead and just make it private. Is this video made for kids? No, it's not made for kids. Once you go to more options, then you can add your description. Maybe, hey guys, this is a live Q&A. Bring all your questions and I will answer them. And I'll put my link to my Instagram, my social media, everything down there, you know. So I'll just click next. I don't love it. I hate this. What thumbnail is this? So yeah, it says retake thumbnail or upload custom thumbnail. I'll just retake it. Okay, this looks better. If I want to use another thumbnail, guys, I have a video on how to create thumbnails. Before I actually schedule my live streams and everything, I already have my thumbnails available. So if I want to upload custom thumbnail, I just click upload custom thumbnail, and I kind of have like some thumbnails here or something. I'll just use this, it's fine. Here I can decide to go live, but it's private, so I'll be the only person on there. But I just want to show you guys as you're live. Hey guys, so that's how I start. Hey guys, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. So this is the section where the chat will be. You just went live, honey. That's it. Bye guys. I can go ahead and end the stream. Once I'm done, I can dismiss it or edit in studio. I just want to show you how to schedule a live. Once I put in the title, hey guys, I'll just put it on private, and here it says schedule for later. So maybe Thursday, August 5th at 6:55. I'll leave it like that. Then I click next, and either, you know, I use this thumbnail or I upload. I'll just upload custom thumbnail. Then I click done, and that's it, guys. I just scheduled a live. Now let's go to StreamYard. Google, I have StreamYard saved here. You can go to www.streamyard.com and create an account. I already have a destination for my live stream, which is YouTube. Hey guys, and I'll put my description in here. This is a live Q&A. I'll just put it on private, and then I can click schedule for later. So then I upload my thumbnail. I'll use the same thumbnail, create broadcast, guys. That is it. That is it. Finished. It's been scheduled. It's been once I enter the broadcast studio. There we go. Actually, I think StreamYard looks way better compared to the regular YouTube live streaming software. Period. Yeah, of course, you have to put your name in there. jeaniemensah. Guys, I'm doing all this talking. Can you please hit that subscribe button for me and click the like button? Don't forget to comment. And to broadcast studio, you can see add to stream. You can check if your microphone is good, and you can check that here. The first time I started using StreamYard, it was on standard definition, but make sure you put it on high definition because it makes a big difference. And this is the section the chat will be. Also, I just want to quickly talk about the banner. So you can have your banner show down here. A special welcome to everyone. Please keep the chat clean. You can write subscribe, connect, support, dance, return, no capital letters, no numbers, only write in words. Also like the live stream, so you can put whatever you want here. And I also usually put my Instagram right here. When I have to go somewhere really quick, I just have another banner here that will showcase be back in 5 minutes. While I was recording the video, I didn't share two other things with you guys, and the first is sharing screen on StreamYard. In sharing screen, of course, you go to your StreamYard and you open another tab. Usually the screen I share is Social Blade, and it's going to pull up my YouTube account. Once I'm on Social Blade, I will go to live subscriber count, and it will display the number of subscribers I have. And then I go back to StreamYard, share screen, screen. Then I go to Chrome tab, then I click the Social Blade website. It will take you to the Social Blade page directly. So I'll go back to StreamYard, and usually I'm on there as well, so you see me in the Social Blade website. So that is how it works, but you can always show yourself and also show another screen. To invite somebody on StreamYard, click the invite button. It will give you a link, and then you drop it in the comment section of StreamYard, and whoever wants to click it can click it. And you can invite up to 10 people on StreamYard. The host will be the only person to see the people on there at first. The host will have to give permission to all the people who clicked on the link before they can appear on the screen. It's very simple. That's good. Collaboration. Can you tell us who you are and what the channel is about?
Yes.
YouTube doesn't support comments on private videos. All this while, I've been using the private setting, so definitely I cannot post any comment. But I just wanted to show you guys an example of how it's done. I just wanted to share these two other things with you guys because I forgot, and yeah, it's important. Not sure if you've ever tried going live, but sometimes you do see some comments that are held for review. Thank you to Apostle Edgar who told me about the settings. Once I did it, I never had any comments coming in that were held for review. Let's go to the YouTube app. You click your profile picture and you click settings, scroll down to live chat. Yeah, there we go. So if it's turned on, make sure you turn it off. Really puts people off when they come to your live stream and comments are held for review when they are not even spamming the chat. The time I go live is at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm in the United States of America, so I use that time because 2 p.m. I feel like 2 p.m. works for almost everybody. Also, I shared a video, I'll leave it up here, on how you can know what time your audience is online. Check that because it really works for not just your live streams but also when you upload content. Today, tonight's show asked me something very important. Ahan was asking about how you turn off your comments for live streaming. So let me go to YouTube again. Go to your YouTube studio. All your answers are in YouTube studio. So I'll go to videos. Let me go to live stream. I'll just click either the video or the live that I want. I'll go to more options and comments and ratings. So you can hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review, or disable comments. So I just click disable comments and then you click save. Of course, your chat will actually still show. Guys, I think I covered everything. If you have any additional questions, definitely let me know in the comment section. I will gladly help. I think I'll end this video here, but I really enjoyed recording this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share me out, guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.